Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off vibration for sent mail on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, go down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then we tap on Sent Mail and then tap on Vibration. Okay, so if you want to turn off vibration, you select None. This is the default setting. If you want to turn on vibration for sent mail, you can choose one of the vibration pattern in the standard section. So we got accent, alert, heartbeat, quick, rapid. And then you can also tap on create new vibration, and then just you can just tap on the vibration pattern that you want to use, and then you can simply cancel that. And then if you want to create a new pattern, you can just one vibration, and then tap on save, and then give your vibration a name, and then tap on saved. So in here I'm going to name it IT Jungles, and then now whenever you send out an email, it will simply vibrate based on your pattern, or you can choose one of the preset pattern at the top. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off vibration for sent mail on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.